Hey, welcome back to Corbellic Studios. I'm Corbellic. I've sold over 18,000 paintings. Usually I like to say that I've sold over 17,000 paintings, but I just hit a milestone of my own where eBay's added an additional 1,000 on there. So now I officially sold 18,000 paintings on eBay alone. And one of my biggest blessings now, one of the things that I like to do is I like to give back because that's one of the universal laws of attraction so you can receive prosperity for yourself is giving back. So one of my things that I love doing now is I have a community where I give back to the community, but I also give back by sharing the knowledge that I was able to generate over the years of selling art. You don't need social media. You don't need an email list. You don't need funnels. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to have any kind of gallery or art fair. You don't have to have all these difficult things that they told us of how to do art and how to sell art. These things are so prehistoric to me when I think about it. I mean, we're talking about maybe 20 years ago or maybe pre 2018, 2017. Maybe these things work, but I used to spend so much time on Instagram. I used to spend so much time on social media, and I was broke. All right. People used to give me free likes and free clicks, but I was broke. I used to go to art shows and art fairs and spend my own money, and then nobody would buy it besides family members. You know what I'm talking about. But that's not what we're talking about today. I'm going to be talking about how I'm excited, how I help people, how I can actually show you the testimonies of the people that I help, some of the elite wins, and some of the things that we do inside the community. Because now in my coaching, I'm not just providing a course where you're by yourself and you download a PDF and you read and then that's it. No, you have an actual community that's there along the way with each post to help you with whatever journey that you're at, whatever stage that you're at, because they've been there themselves. These are all hardworking people that's already made the success for themselves. So it's not about what I'm saying. It's not about what I can say or show. It's all about you can see the proof from other people inside the community about what success is going on in their lives. And it's better for me to just show you than talk about it. So let's go through some of the wins right now that I'm really excited about. I'm really excited to share this with you because it's all about giving back. I wish that I had this opportunity, but now I have this opportunity to give back. All right, let me show you what we got right here. This is some of the members.
I am copying his title, putting it in the title of my document, and changing my first name instead of Corbellic. It says me, and instead of the title of his his titles are SEO proven. They are kicking butt.
I mean, you just follow your little program, and I just start like experimenting with like different things. Boom, I find a winning style. I'm like, dude, it's working now. It's all coming together.
I
Yeah.
appreciate that, man. Thank you.
First, I want to say this group is absolutely awesome. It's the best group I've ever been involved with under any circumstances. So encouraging and supportive and caring. I love this group.
Motivating me to even do more artwork just for the sake of the community. I mean, it's great just to produce art, whether it's selling or not. It's just such diversity in art and skill and aesthetic. And I've not had this many artist friends in my entire career, and I've been around the world and done a lot of cool things, I would say. But to really kind of reintroduce to the art community in this sort of way, I think this is one of the greatest things you probably have put together for us. It's to me, it's almost even more important than the sales. It's just a community where you can be expressive and without any guilt or out any sort of judgment. So it's really, I would say it's addictive. And so it's just a closing statement. Just want to say.
The guidance that I've gotten so far from and the support from this group has been tremendous. I, I I'm actually using it as a dopamine hit as well, just to see everybody else's work.
Oh wow, the Freddie.
I love this part right here because this is a YouTuber who actually records himself when he's having auction nights. So he implemented some of my tactics. Like he just started. He wasn't even building up the snowball effect of getting the sales impression rate high up there. He just started and he was starting to see all of these sales that were coming in just from him just starting off, and you could just see his natural reaction. That's what makes it so good. I mean, there's other people out there, there's other coaches that tell you how they're going to help you, but you never really see their real proof within the live timing, right? Or you never actually see what's going on. Instead, they always like to tell you everything's great all the time, and it just doesn't seem authentic.
That's 1650. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh man, it's working. The plan is working for sure. So as you can see, I got plenty of bids. I believe that the Corbellic studio system worked as far as my business is concerned.
Thank you very much to Corbellic Studios and his course on school. You guys should check it out.
I mean, but you could just check that out yourself. That's in the community. There's just so many testimonies that I have there of people winning and members who's actually able to provide for their family, who's actually able to make additional income and actually do it for themselves. So that way you get more and more impression. Look, eBay helped me in my life. So God told me to give back and to share the knowledge of what I have. And it's been the best thing ever. So I also want to just share some of the other testimonies of what we have in here where you can see where customers send pictures, right? And this woman, let's see here, it's her second buyer. She bought 2 buy it nows and then discovered her auctions. She bought 20 of them from her. How cool is that? 20 paintings. And then the buyers on eBay, they'll show you what their home is. They'll show you your artwork. It's framed up, or you have the option to frame it yourself, which I show you inside the community how you could do it. So that way you can also make that additional money off of that. And you could just provide great artwork. So I love seeing that. I love seeing the artwork from a lot of the different collectors of who we collect and we can hold on to. Look at this milestone right here. This milestone right here, he just made his $10,000 milestone, okay? And he shows his data on here where he hit the numbers. And this is just the proof in the pudding. There's just so many different testimonies of we're making the money. This one right here, look, making money while on vacation. This is a member who went on vacation, put their store away on vacation mode, and when they came back, they were still making sales just because the systems in place of showing you how you can still make sales. No other social media is going to do that. I've never gotten sales off of Instagram or from anything else from being away or not producing. I mean, I would produce every single day for impressions and I wouldn't get any money. And look at this. The revenue for the week was $600 for him being away. And he only sold 8 pieces of art, but the largest single item of the buy it now was $240. How cool is that? Let's see here some other testimonies. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I sold my first buy it now painting for $350. I'm shocked and I'm so excited. Thank you, Corbellic. Talk about motivation and getting busy. Once you see the money is coming in for yourself, it's like an adrenaline. That's your natural dopamine. You're going to replace your other unhealthy dopamines with healthy dopamines by making the money, making the sales, and keep producing the art. You need to be focused on the process at hand and not the results, not the scoreboard, and everything will start flowing towards you. These are the things that I also talk about inside the community about the hidden secrets of generational wealth, about how to have this universal law of attraction and bringing money to you. And these are some of the things right here of what they're just naturally putting on here. Look at this. Another $10,000 milestone right here from one of the members. And you could just see his studio. Look at his studio right here. Tell me this isn't inspiration right there. That is inspiration. That's how you have to have your studio. That's how you need to do starting off. And I know just looking at this, it seems like such an impossible task, but when you start the course, you're going to be broken down into how you could do this, how anyone could do this. You don't have to go to art school. You don't have to know color theory, composure, or any of that stuff. I didn't go to art school and I was still able to run my business just like this. So I'm extremely proud of you for doing that. That's amazing to see. I'm just happy to get back where people can actually be able to take care of themselves and see a different way out of their 9 to 5 or not being able to sell art in general. As soon as you join the community, then you're going to be here at a 14-day sales activity. The 14-day sales activity is just the orientation and it's just to get you started. There's no guessing game whatsoever. You don't have to be tech savvy. Everything is laid out for you. But the best part about it is here, let's click into this. The best thing about it here, you can just start your day off. You can start it off And then you're going to declare your why. That's going to be like day one. Declare your why. Make your why bigger than yourself. Why are you doing this? Lock in with accountability. Make it bigger than a dollar amount. Make it something larger so that way it's easier for you to get out of bed and lock in of what you need to do. Record a video just saying, hey, while I'm doing it, a quick 30-second. But then what's cool on each one of these, and this is for every lesson that's in here, is that we have a post that goes in here and you could click it and then it goes straight into where we have other members that have gone through the same thing. So any question that you may have, you're not alone. This isn't a course where you're taking it and then you're alone, you don't know what to do next, or you're just by yourself and it's like a homework assignment. We all know programs like that where they just get everything from AI and then they have you download a PDF and hey, get the next one. This is nothing like that. You are supported by a full community in here of people who are like-minded, and there's no judgment zones. No one here is judgmental because art is subjective. There is no right or wrong. Only thing that's right or wrong is it's wrong if you don't try, you don't show up, and it's right when you just produce anything that you want because you can't predict the market. The market is going to buy your artwork. And I show you how you can implement it into eBay so you can utilize the algorithm. Day 2 is bulletproof your eBay seller account. I show you how to go through it. And these are just different things like that you'll go through. But also you'll go through on here how to go through and navigate your store. So setting up your store. The first thing that you'll do, how to choose your store subscription, how to create combined shipping rules. There's so many videos of how to go through it. So I just don't have screenshots for you, but I also have on here in-depth videos of me doing it for you along the way. And you can just see all the different courses that's in here, how to get started, painting lessons. But this isn't an art class because the creativity is already inside of you. We work off of a projector, and I show which projector to get so that way you can do it for yourself. And then you just create off of what's inside of you. We just use the proportions, but I show you how you can do that. And also utilizing the promotion system that's in here. I mean, this one is killer right here, the promotion system of how to run your promos, how to run your daily coupons. Everything is broken down for you, so you don't have to be tech savvy. It's all there. But even if you're lost along the way, we have a community that's going to help you because they've been there as well to help you succeed, just like all the members that you saw in the testimony. But this is also another cool thing that I really love about the community in here is that I also show you anytime that you're feeling like you need motivation or you're down, or anytime that you want to reach out to people who are actually winning instead of people who give testimonies and you don't know if it's their aunt, their uncle, you don't know who they are. I have a section in here called Testimony and Wins, and it's from other people's success stories. So you can always click into these names and you could always reach out to them personally to ask them questions. How were they able to make $1,000, $10,000? You could reach out to them and ask them, hey, how did you do this? How did you get your snowball effect? How did this work out for you? Instead of feeling like you're lost. These are real people that you can reach out to. And I keep this section in here because, hey, if I can do it, then they can do it. And if they can do it, you can do it. There's nothing out there that's not achievable that you can't do. And this is the community right here where you could just have so many different posts in here where so many people are friends with each other. People have made close friends with each other in here, and we're all here to support each other. So I thought it was important for me to make this video because I'm really excited. It's not so much about me anymore because God has already blessed me with my prosperity. But now what I find the most joy in right now is being able to do this, give back, and show this on here where I'm able to help people so they can do it for themselves. Because if I could do it, I know other people can do it. And I don't want to be selfish about the information anymore because then you don't gain anything from it. So if you want to learn how you can do this yourself, if you want to join in here and you can start making the sales as early as next week, click the link below, join us in here. So that way you can do it. You can see all the testimonies. You can see everything. Look, you don't have anything else to lose. Everybody else is trying to train and teach the old way of selling art, but it's not working. So what's the definition of insanity? Is keep doing the same thing over and over, expecting different results. Like I've been there. Nobody's been there more than I have. So that's why I know how to talk about it like the back of my hand. All right. So join me in here and I'll see you. We have Q&As. We have Q&As where where we discuss and we have different questions, and I do a video every single week, and we can see you could join us in there. All right. I'll see you in the next video. I appreciate it.